Hey guys, if you watched the other video, you guys know we got something new coming. We're trading the Compass in today. I was going to make a big old clickbait video about giving it away and stuff like that, but just never had time to sit down and do it. I do have a 10,000 mile review on this Compass. I've got about 9,500 miles on it. But anyways, just the situation has arisen where I'm able to get something else. So we're going to upgrade from the Compass and we are going to get a 2021 Jeep Gladiator. So we're a little late to the Gladiator boom, but I got lucky and ordered one with everything that's going on with the chip shortage and stuff. So anyways, I'm gonna leave you guys here and then I will pick this video up after I get it back from the dealership and stuff and try to go over some stuff. I do have some footage I'll probably throw in here later on of it actually coming not off the truck. I missed it coming off the truck by about 15 minutes. So anyways, but I've got it sitting in the parking lot as they unloaded it from the truck and checked it out with all the shipping material on it and stuff like that. So anyways, I'll probably try to splice that in here, but we'll pick this back up after we get the Gladiator picked up and we'll kind of go over it. And then we'll kind of go on from there, let you guys maybe know what we got planned, what we got coming. So anyways, we'll see you guys here in just a second. So this is it. They just unloaded it off the truck probably 30 minutes ago or so. I actually pulled up as they were done unloading it, but this is it. Gonna be the Snazberry color. It's gonna have the tan leather seats. Like I said, it's still waiting dealer prep. You know, they've got to put the antenna on, which will change out, but you know, clean it up, take all the wrap off and stuff, go through everything. But this is what it is. It is pretty sharp. Got the bed liner in it. Got the mud terrains on it. I did not go with the LED package. We'll just kind of go over everything some other time. This is just the unload day. I'll probably come pick it up tomorrow and try to get a video made this weekend. But anyways, this is it. Oh, and the big one. Let me go around to the other side. It's a little better view. The main order point for this was, there it is. This does have the manual transmission in it. How many Gladiators have you guys seen with manuals in them? Let me know. Okay guys, so here we are a little later. Just got back from the Jeep dealer, so here we are at home. So let me flip this around and you guys can check this thing out. Okay, here it is, 2021 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. It's in the Snazberry color. Naturally, black fenders, black top. Got quite a few stuff, quite a bit of stuff with it, but I tried to order kind of a little more of a bare bones one. Got the bed liner in it. This was all special order for me. Let's start off with the driver's door. But this is what it looks like. Ordered the mud grips on it. It has just the regular lights, no LED lights. And we open it up. It has a tan leather interior, which I think accents the Snazberry color real good. And as we can see, it has 17 miles. Yep, and it says press clutch and start button to start. So yes, you don't see many of these. It does have a 6-speed in it. Specifically ordered it for that reason, because I wanted a manual. Trying to think, I did get the auxiliary switches. So And I did order it with the Gorilla Glass, just because I have heard a few stories about glass breaking and stuff, but it does have the Gorilla Glass in it. I'm trying to think of anything that just really stands out. It does have the passive entry and everything. I wanted that. Cold weather group, heated steering wheel, heated leather seats. Like I said, I just got back from the dealership. It did come with the bag for the Freedom Tops. The tan leather seats. And because we went with the tan leather seats, you get the black or the gray dash, and the Rubicon stitching is it's hard to tell. It's almost like a silver white, but it's really nice. Leather feels really firm, really good, like heavy leather. So and I did get it at Expressway Dodge in Evansville, Indiana. They had rebates on them. I paid less than MSRP for it. Ended up getting, I don't know, I want to say all told somewhere around pretty close to $4,000 off MSRP, which with everybody, as everybody knows, with a chip shortage going on and stuff, there's a lot of people that are paying $5,000 and $10,000 for certain cars and vehicles, just as a, you know, we can't get you a car markup. So I really like this Snazberry color though. I had seen it a couple of times. When you see it and it's dark, it kind of has a darker look to it, but when the sun hits it, it comes out a little more kind of reddish maroon. So it's really sharp, really sharp. So but anyways, that's just kind of a quick little video here. We'll go more into depth later on as we kind of go through some things. So let me know what you guys think. Have you guys bought one? You know, what did you guys get? Did you guys get a manual or an automatic? Most of them are automatics. If you had a manual, let me know if you guys have had any problems with them. I know they had problems with the clutch and stuff a while back, and they weren't actually making the manuals for a while, but now they've got that situation taken care of. But just, you know, let me know what you guys think. You know, I mean, what would you guys have ordered different on it? I did get the cheaper wheels. These are the standard wheels. And I did that just because, I mean, you know, everybody upgrades later on. So, you know, I mean, why would I pay extra money for wheels just to drive them around for, you know, 6 months or so, or a year or whatever, just to have, you know, the premium wheels whenever you're going to change them out anyways. So anyways, like I said, just a short video. Let me know what you guys think. You guys got ideas as far as like what you would do to it? Let me know. I've got a whole laundry list of stuff that I would like to do to it, but there's always stuff out there that you forget about or see, or, you know, or don't see. So all right guys, that's it for now. So we'll try to get some more videos out now that we've kind of got a new toy to play with. So we'll catch you guys on the next video.